Hey, I'm Rob Wheeley. If you're looking for a career in a fast-paced, high-energy, exciting industry where no 2 days are the same, then I encourage you to check out Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists. Of course, I think it's a great place to work, but I've asked some of our employees to tell you about their experience working at Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists.
It's not like your regular office job, not like your regular day-to-day. We all work together because we have a common goal.
I feel very respected and appreciated here.
You never know here what you're going to get from day to day.
It's a very good company to work for.
I feel appreciated.
I like the people here.
That is like a family. You know, we create a really good environment around this company.
We do a full slate of training. Depending on your skill level when you come in, it may be a week's worth of training, maybe 2, maybe a little bit more. We also have a Master Tech program that allows you to excel at higher quality wheels and hopefully make a little bit more money.
All of our locations offer a shared expense 3-tiered medical plan through Cigna. We also have dental and vision. There's HSA opportunity and 401k.
It's exciting because it's allowing me to stretch, myself professionally.
You hit the ground running here. Someone who's coming to work here needs to be a fast learner and ready for a fast-paced environment. There is a way here to continue to grow, whether it be locally here to move up or through our corporate offices or even transfers to another location nationwide. So, the sky's the limit here.
Every time the CEO comes in the office, he greets everyone and asks how everyone is doing. And it really gives us a great feeling every time because he's very warm and kind.
I love the employees that I work with. Everyone's great. I have a great boss.
This is a great company to start your career.
We're definitely treated like family.
It feels like a family.
I love working for Alloy Wheel Repair. This is my home.
I make a choice to come here every day and to do my job. It's not a have to, I choose to. And I don't know of many people that can say that.
This company is great.
So if you're looking for a new career, give us a call today or check out our website for a location near you.